Go!
Hi, Shish! Shema naman dyan, Shish! Happy birthday, Ate Giselle! Salamat kasi lagi kang nandyan para sa akin. Tandaan mo na, lagi lang din akong nandito para sa'yo. Text mo lang ako, ganyan. Tsaka, sana lahat ng wish mo matupad. Patangkad na tayo. Ingatan mo yung heart mo. Ikaw. Ayun. Happy birthday! Love you! God bless! Bye-bye!
Hi, Mars! Happy birthday! Ayun lang naman. Ang wish ko lang naman sa'yo is happiness and all the love in the world! And sana mahanap ko naman. Hindi naman. Agad-agad, you are the one. Pero ako lang yan. Sabihin natin yung nahanapin. Just enjoy your day and guard your heart. Happy birthday! See you the soonest.
Hi, Farts! Maligayang kaarawan sa'yo. I hope na masaya ka and I wish you happiness and all the best. And I don't know what to say right now, but yeah, I'm so blessed to have you as my friend. And sana yung mga gusto mo sa buhay magawa ko. Which is, I know naman talaga na lahat ng gusto mo, ginagawa mo ng paraan. Kaya, continue searching for happiness and ikaw talagang pinaka-adventurous na tao na kilala ko. Kaya, believe na believe ako sa isa ganyan. Sa'yo yung title na yun eh. Ikaw talaga yung pinaka-adventurous na tao. Kaya, yeah. God bless you. I wish you stronger faith and yeah, see you soon. Bye.
Got your girl on Molly and we smoking loud and drinking. Got my